Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about the simple present tense, or by adding s and es and changing y to ies to the verb. The verb in simple present tense express actions that are done every day or regularly, every morning, once a month, once a day, once a week, always, often, weekly, regularly, and daily are some of the time expression used to indicate the simple present tense. In sentences, verbs should agree with the subject in number and tense. And for sentences in the simple present tense, a singular subject takes the S form of the verb. Example, Jaden says his morning prayer every morning. A plural subject takes the base form of the verb. Example, Jaden and his classmates say their morning prayer every morning. The S form of the verb can be written in three ways. Number 1, add S to the verb. Kylie reads. He writes. Number 2, add ES to the verbs. Example, Bianca brushes her teeth. She fixes her things. Number 3, for verbs ending in a consonant and Y, change Y to I and ES. Example, the cook fries chicken. 2, it dries under the sun. Always remember that the verb is in the S form with singular nouns and the pronouns he, she, and it. He, she, it, reads, plays, studies, eats. And the pronouns I and you take the base form of the verb. Example, I read, I play, I study, I eat. You read, you play, you study, you eat. Thank you, grade 3, for listening. And God bless you. I hope you enjoy our lesson and see you again next time.